My name is Harry.
Hello, my name is Rosanna.
My name's Emma.
I'm Emily.
My name is Christopher Kerr.
My name is Jack Colley.
My name is Alex.
Jen.
Hello, I'm Emma.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
My name is Jordan Legg.
I'm Charlie.
Hi, I'm Shane.
Hi, I'm Bradley.
Hello, I'm Fiona.
Hi, I'm Lucy.
Hi, I'm Kyle.
Hi, I'm Faye.
Hi, I'm Holly.
Hi, I'm Corey. Nice to see you.
Hi, I'm Alice.
Hello, I'm Ashley.
Hi, my name's Andrea. Hello, I'm Rhiannon.
Hi, I'm Lucy.
Hello, I'm Jake.
Hi, I'm Angela. Hello, I'm Annika, Mrs. Allen.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Aspinall. Hi, I'm Mrs. Wheeler. Hi, my name's Jo.
Hello, I'm Sally.
Donmuir Award is when you're going out in national parks.
To make the most of the outdoors and to explore a bit.
We do some fun activities, like how to cut down a tree.
It's really fun to go outdoors and do kind of stuff like this.
And you actually see more things and find out more things about Pembrokeshire that you didn't know about before.
There's evidence, we were so happy when we were outside, and yet we don't really do it enough.
I have seen Pembrokeshire in a different light because we've explored different places that I didn't know existed and done things that I never thought possible.
Learning outdoors instead of in a classroom.
I have gained more confidence to speak to other people. I have really enjoyed myself.
What do you reckon, Rosanna?
Good.
It's good. Better than that. Awesome.
I think it's just amazing that our kids have had the opportunity to do all this.
When we went by the river and we had sort of just 5 minutes to just appreciate that place, and if you just looked around, you'd see everyone just looked so sort of content, and it's just a really nice moment. It was good.
The pressures of the world are kind of left behind, and suddenly you're just stood on a beach or in a field or in a wood with these people, and you can just be.
There's no use telling people that that's the way to be and you need to be outdoors and stuff.
Yeah, you need to sort of
To
bring
be
them
there,
to it.
yeah,
so
but
they
with
can
a
appreciate
with
it.
a fun thing as well.
You see the kids flourish in a different way to what you would in school because they're outdoors and they're gaining so much from being outdoors, and it gives them a whole different perspective on life apart from school.
Your confidence can build up, but first you have to start off with trying it. Before, like I did, I wasn't really sure about it, but then I got out, tried new things, learned new things, thanks to you, and managed to be alright to do it, which I can't stop doing now.
We were tree conserving. I think that was the first week where we all really saw that people were coming out of their shells and becoming, well, our friends.
And everyone chipped in and everyone got involved. it was just really sort of worthwhile in a way.
But when you're out in the countryside, we could just be little girls again and have fun with them and just be ourselves and play games and enjoy ourselves without being embarrassed and thinking, oh, we're not being cool right now.
The outdoors.
It's awesome. It's been fun.
Most exercise I've ever done.
Incredibly exciting.
I think that everyone's having so much fun that I think we should do this again.
I enjoyed going out, exploring, meeting new people.
We like the cup of teas and the biscuits. This day was fun.
I enjoyed cutting the branches off the trees.
Opened my mind so much to like other people and not judging people, and improved my communication with people, definitely.
It's like building up your strength kind of thing, but the strength does not really matter. It's just it's your personality where you're just having fun and enjoying yourself for what you've got when you're stuck indoors and everything.
I really like to spend more time outdoors.
Yeah, definitely. I appreciate everything more now. Like, even if I just go to random places, I look around and appreciate and like see what we've done. And just like realise, oh, we've done that day.
Like, for example, I now look at the colours in the countryside rather than just looking at it like, ugh, don't want to be on this walk with my mum.
And it's really made you appreciate the county we actually live in, because never been that wide around it.
It's like there's a world out there, it's not just in your house.
The mind, body, soul, environment are all connected.
Being outdoors will help you forget your problems and make you happier.
Give yourselves a cheer!
Through the John Moore project, I have felt a deeper connection not just with the outdoors, but also connections with others.
It has been a great experience for me.
Don't take the little things for granted and actually stop and look before you just walk past it. Like John Muir did. Yeah. Yeah.
I feel that there is more in Pembrokeshire now than I would before.
It's just brilliant living in Pembrokeshire.
And there are different things to explore and to find.
Just do the best you can and help others, go outdoors a bit more and do all this kind of stuff.
Climb the mountains.
And get the good tidings. Nature's peace will flow into you.
As sunshine flows into the trees.
The winds will blow their freshness into you.
As the storms, their energy.
While tears drop away from you.
Like the leaves of autumn.
Keep close to nature's heart.
And break clear away once in a while. And climb a mountain.
And spend a week in the woods.
And wash your spirit clean.
Very good.